Hello and welcome to an introduction to the fascinating world of electrical engineering. My name is EED, and in this video I'm going to share with you some basic facts about electrical engineering to give you a sense of what this field is all about. In this first lesson, we'll cover the fundamental concepts you need to understand to learn electrical engineering: voltage, current and resistance. Voltage is electrical pressure that pushes current around a circuit. It's measured in volts, V, and represents the potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. The higher the voltage, the more current is pushed through a circuit. Current is the actual flow of electrons through a conducting wire. It's measured in amperes, also called amps. The higher the voltage across a circuit, the higher the current that flows. You can think of current like the amount of water flowing through a pipe. Higher water pressure produces higher water flow. Resistance opposes the current flow through a circuit. It slows down electrons, reducing the amount of current. Components like resistors are added to circuits to provide resistance, which is measured in ohms. Resistance is like friction or obstacles that restrict water flow. The relationship between voltage, current and resistance is described by Ohm's law: voltage equals current times resistance. We write that as V equals I asterisk R. For example, in a simple circuit with a 12-volt battery, 1 ohm resistor and 0.2 amp current, voltage, V, equals 12, current, I, equals 0.2 amperes, we want to calculate resistance, R, using Ohm's law, V equals I asterisk R. Since V equals 12 and I equals 0.2, we plug those values in. 12 is equal to 0.2 asterisk R. Dividing both sides by 0.2 gives us R equals 60 ohms, the resistance of that component. By understanding Ohm's law, we can calculate any two of these values if we know the third. In complex circuits, voltage provides the electromotive push to force current through components. Current is the actual flow of electrons, while resistance limits that flow. Together, these factors determine how a circuit functions. We'll build on these fundamentals in future lessons, exploring more complex circuits and electronic components. But first, it's important to have a solid grasp of basic voltage, current and resistance, the building blocks of electrical engineering. Subscribe and we'll see you in future videos. Thank you for watching.